Hello everyone, I'm Jason from class 4-8. Today I'm going to share an issue about health and environment. Did you know 10,000 species of living things go extinct every year? People need to respect nature and living things because the environment is important. Without plants and trees, we will not be able to survive. Our environment constantly changing, currently facing a lot of environmental concerns. The environmental problems like global warming, acid rain, air pollution, water pollution, climate change, and many more affect every human, animal, and nation on this planet. If we pollute the earth and air, there will not be any fresh air, and that is hard to live with. Most notably, this damage risks the survival of living things on Earth. Therefore, we need to increase awareness of the problems that surround it. There is an urgent need to save the environment. There are some issues that are causing damage to life and the ecosystem of the Earth. It is related to not only environment, but with everyone that lives on the planet. Besides, its main source is pollution, global warming, greenhouse gas, and many others. The everyday activities of humans are constantly degrading the quality of the environment, which ultimately results in the loss of survival conditions from the Earth. There are hundreds of issues that are causing damage to the environment, but in this, we are going to discuss the main causes of environmental issues because they are very dangerous to life and the ecosystem. Pollution is one of the main causes of an environmental issue because it poisons the air, water, soil, and noise. As we know that in the past few decades, the numbers of industries have rapidly increased. Moreover, these industries discharge their untreated waste into the water bodies, on soil, and in air. Most of these wastes contain harmful and poisonous material that spread very easily because of the movement of water bodies and wind. The second cause is greenhouse gas. These are the gases which are responsible for the increase in the temperature of the earth. This gas directly relates to air pollution because of the pollution produced by the vehicle and factories which contains a toxic chemical that harms the life and environment of Earth. After that, due to the environmental issue, the climate is changing rapidly and things like smoke, acid rains are getting common. Also, the number of natural calamities is also increasing, and almost every year there is flood, famine, drought, landslides, earthquakes, and many more calamities are increasing. Above all, human beings and their greed for more is the ultimate cause of all the environmental issues. Now, we know the major issues which are causing damage to the environment. So now we can discuss the ways by which we can save our environment. For doing so, we have to take some measures that will help us in fighting environmental issues. Moreover, these issues will not only save the environment, but also save the life and ecosystems of the planet. Some of the ways of minimizing environmental threat must be taken. Firstly, reforestation. It will not only help in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem, but also help in restoring the natural cycles that work with it. Also, it will help in recharge of groundwater, maintaining the monsoon cycles, decreasing the number of carbons from the air, and many more. We can also go through the 3-hour recycle principle. For contributing to the environment, one should have to use the 3 hours principle, that is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Moreover, it helps the environment in a lot of ways. To conclude, we can say that humans are the major source of environmental issues. Likewise, our activities are the major reason that level of harmful gas and pollutants have increased in the environment. But now, the humans have taken this problem seriously and now working to eradicate it. Above all, if all humans contribute equally to the environment, then this issue can be fight back. The natural balance can once again be restored. Safe environment, safe life. Thank you.